Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Charntz here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I customized my mum's mirror. The mirror is originally gold, but as you can see, I'm in the living room right now. We got glitter wallpaper. You might recognize the wallpaper because I've been using it as a backdrop in a few of my recent videos. So the mirror, we wanted to get it to go with the theme of the living room because it's white, silver and grey. Like I said, the mirror was gold. It didn't look bad, but we wanted it to kind of go with the theme that we got. So she was gonna buy a new mirror. I kind of convinced her to let me work my little magic and create something with it instead. If you don't like it, then of course go and buy a mirror. Quite happy she let me do it. She's happy with the end result as well. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. At the end of the video, I will show you a close-up of it. I'll show you how it looks in the living room, so you can see how it sparkles and you can see how it looks on the wall. We have a gold mirror here. As you can see, the theme that we have in the living room is white, silver and grey, so the gold doesn't really go. My mum has asked me if I can do something with the mirror to make it look nice in the living room, so that is my plan for today. I don't know if you can see the glitter that well on camera, but that's the plan. The plan is to make the mirror match. As you can see, I've got the mirror now and I've covered it with a bit of newspaper and some masking tape just to secure it so I don't get any glitter on the mirror itself. So this is my workspace. As you can see, I'm working on the floor. I've got a little bit of newspaper there at the edge just to prevent any glitter or glue getting on the floor. I don't know if my mum wants to have it landscape or portrait. If she does have it portrait, the plan is iridescent silver here to a white pearlescent or white iridescent silver there, and it's going to be plain white glitter at the end. Hopefully I have enough glitter. I'm going to show you the glitters that I've got now. I have 3 different colour glitters here. I've got this silver iridescent one that's going to go at the top. Then I have the white iridescent one, which is going to be like a transitional shade for my ombre effect that I'm trying to create. And then I've got a plain white one here, which is going to go at the bottom. I also have these foam brushes here, which I'm going to be using to stick the glue onto the mirror. And then I'm going to be using Mod Podge here, which is the glossy kind. I know they do all different types of finishes, but I thought gloss would make more sense since I am using glitter. So I'm starting off with the bigger sized foam brush, and I've got the Mod Podge there. I've also got glitter. I've poured it into a cup to make it easier because I want to pour it on. I'm going to pour it into the lid because I honestly don't know. So if I do it little by little, and then I can just wipe off the excess, and a bit that's stripped off there. And then I'm just going to literally paint the glue on. So dip it in, paint it on, and you want to get all over the mirror, the edges as well. I'm just going to continue to do this. I'm going to paint as much as I can and I'll start pouring the glitter on. Once I start pouring the glitter on, I will come back to you. As you can see, I've put some glue onto the frame now, so I'm literally just going to get my cup of glitter and pour it on. Here we go. Okay, so like so. Just pouring it on. There's a quick update of how it's going so far. It's really hard to get into those little areas there. And I don't want to make it lumpy, so I'm going to have to try and come back and do that after I've completed the rest of the project. I think that's all I'm going to do with the silver. I don't want to bring it down too much because I'm going to now start off with the bottom end with the white, and then my transition shade is going to be in the middle. So if I feel that I want to add more silver, then I can. I don't want to do too much silver and then it's uneven. Just come to give you guys another update. So this is the silver, and then I have the white iridescent here. I decided that I'm not going to do a transitional shade. I'm just going to go straight from iridescent silver into the iridescent white. It looks as though the white's going to need another coat. So I've got a few patches that I need to go over with the silver, but I think I have enough silver to cover it. I've left the glue to dry. It's been like 2 days because I actually literally haven't had a chance to come back and do anything to it. I don't know if I can try and get a bit closer for you. So like here, you can see that it's kind of coming off a bit because I glued it and then I literally lifted the mirror up and then tilted it, and then as you can see, all of it's fallen out there. So all that's the fallout. Unfortunately, the white did not stay on at all. but I knew this would happen simply because it just wasn't showing on the gold anyway. I'm not even going to bother attempt to do the white ombre look. I'm just going to simply do it all silver. So my plan now is to get the silver, sprinkle that all along here, all along where the white bit is, and then go over the areas here which are patchy. So this is it. I've gone in with my glitter and I've filled in all those white areas. I literally just put the glue on as normal and then sprinkled on the silver glitter, and that's managed to cover all the white glitter from earlier perfectly. But I've decided I'm just going to leave this overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to tip it over again and let all the excess glitter fall off. This is the mirror. It's all dried now. I'm not going to tip off the excess again because I did that yesterday. So now I'm literally going to brush the glue onto it to seal it into place. The glitter shouldn't fall off and it should be able to go back onto the wall and look nice and pretty. I'm going to turn the flash on for my phone now so you can have an idea of the sparkle. Look how pretty that looks. Right, I'm so happy with how it looks. I can't wait to take the newspaper off and just reveal it and put it on the wall. I know my mum's going to love it as well. Thank you all for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below if you want to see more videos like this. Also, you can leave comments if you have any questions. I'll get back to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and please tap the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload next. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye.